There it goes.
Hi. Hi,
out?
Daddy.
Yeah.
It's not like it.
Well, partially out.
Pop. Cheese.
Can't see 'cause the legs in the way.
I can't even get it from this angle.
Mommy,
Miguel, don't touch. Don't touch. It's out. But no, not all the way.
Completely.
Miguel, come here. Come here. Look, Abby. The baby's coming.
What?
Look. Oh. Yo, that's a big. Oh, it's so cute. She's not going to open it, is she?
I don't know, but she needs to. Come on, Precious. Come on. Come on. Take care of your baby. Take care of your baby.
Come on, baby. Is it alive?
But you might have to
Why do I have to do it?
open it.
Why?
Because I'm not going to be able to. I'm telling you right now.
Here, just come on. Come do the thing. Do I need to wear gloves? I don't have gloves.
We want to watch the baby come out.
The baby's already out.
Let's see what she does. Let me see.
Watch out, monkey.
The baby out. Look.
Yeah, I see. Move. So mommy can sit.
I want to sit down. I love the baby.
Hi, mamas. Come on, you gotta do it, baby. Come on. Look, the baby. Look, it's a baby. Look, baby, look. Baby, yeah. That's a good girl. A good girl.
The puppy and the baby come all the way
Come on.
out.
You gotta open it. How long should we give her to open it?
Don't give her too long, I don't think.
She's trying.
There she goes.
She's pulling it from. Yeah, she got it open. Good girl. It looks white.
Sometimes they do.
Don't move in the...
It'll probably be white and
Good
tan.
girl.
Her mom is whitish, isn't she? She's white and tan.
Nikki, stop moving
That's a good girl. That's a good girl.
And it's alive because it's moving.
That's a good girl, Precious. You can see it?
Not coming out. The lot.
Oh, man. Nikki, get TT a diaper. Oh, yeah, hurry, get TT a diaper.
Out of the closet. In the closet where they've been. The closet. In closet.
Go.
Abby, get TT the wipe. Get TT the wipe, over there.
I want to sit
No,
down.
get TT the wipe. Hurry.
Get a paper that for.
Just get any diaper.
One on the floor.
All right, bring it to TT.
One was on the floor. There's a big one. Take that. One was on the floor. Try to open her. Yeah.
Yep, she just had her first one. Yep. Huh? It's freaking big to be to be hers. It's big.
Whoa.
I mean, it's small, but it's big at the same time. It looks like it's gonna be like white and tan. Yeah.
Yeah, look at you. That's so silly.
Baby.
Well, she'll have more. She's still got more, but she's doing good.
Her
I think she'll have like 2 or 3 more.
good girl.
Alright.
You're a good girl. Good girl, Precious.
Why does it not look like it's all the way out?
I don't know. Should I try to pull it out for you? Huh?
I can't tell if it is or not.
You need to sit down.
Cause she's still got to get to the umbilical cord.
The baby not out.
Precious. Can mommy try to get it? No, she's out.
How is it?
Oh,
She's got to cut the umbilical cord. She had 2 off the umbilical cord.
Come on. Good girl. Good girl.
pull it out. Mommy, I'm pulling the
girl.
baby. The baby!
Huh?
Can't you lift them for that?
I wouldn't. Not until she flips it over. She'll end up flipping it over.
The baby moving.
Oh, it's so freaking cute.
That baby's so cute. Is that a doggy?
Yeah, it's a puppy.
It's a baby. It's her baby.
I want to hold it.
Nikki, let Buddha out of the room, but don't let him in this room.
Okay. I'm going to go to the door.
Hi, Mama.
Come back in.
Stay out there with him.
She's getting it. Is she eating or something?
Huh?
Is she eating?
I think he's trying, or she's trying to. Get off of it.
Get off it. Get it her baby. Get that.
I think she has enough room over in this corner.
I don't think she realizes what she has to do until you put her face. Don't you put that in there.
That's a good girl, Precious. That's a good girl. Come on. You still got to do the umbilical cord. Come on. What do I cut it with? There, she's not doing it.
Either your finger or scissors.
Smack him to.
I just told you not to do that.
Oh, disgusting. What the hell is that?
What?
She just pulled something out.
Out of herself?
Yes.
Afterbirth minute? Was
Oh,
it big?
each of them have afterbirth?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
They all have separate umbilical cords.
It just cried.
Come on, Precious. Alright, yeah, don't clean yourself. What are you about to do? Not exactly. Come on, Mama, look.